Hello everyone, today I'm discussing the importance of charcoal in our poultry farm. Charcoal is very essential in our farm, especially during the brooding period. And the benefits are to cure most intestinal infection, to stop crackhead situation, to improve feed intake, to gain body weight, feed conversion ratio, aiding digestion, deworming, and so on. The application of charcoal on chicken feeds is 1 to 2% of charcoal per kg. In other words, mix 25 kg of feeds with 250 gram or 500 gram of charcoal. Do not use charcoal briquettes. It's very important due to the chemical used in production of charcoal briquettes. It's not good for the chickens. Use natural charcoal from burning woods and trees. Until I see you next time, do have a good one. Bye.